Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to use layer masks in Photoshop and fast. So we see in this photo that it's actually quite underexposed, but I did that for a reason. What I wanted to do in post was to brighten up the dog's face and make it pop out from the photo. If you don't get what I mean, then keep watching. What you want to start by doing is pressing Ctrl or Command J. That copies the layer. And then on the top layer, what you want to do is expose for the dog's face this time. So you go up to Image, Adjustments, Exposure, and expose for the dog's face. And now, to add a layer mask, make sure you have the top layer selected and click the white square with the circle in the middle. And then you see a white square pop up next to your layer, and that's the layer mask. Right now we see it's white, and that means the whole layer is visible. But if we select our brush tool by clicking B, and make sure black is selected, wherever we paint will turn invisible. And now we see the bottom layer is showing through from the bottom. So you probably can see where this is going. So you click this and do a sort of quick mask around the dog. And already, without much effort, we can see that it's making the dog pop out of the photo quite a lot. But we can actually see that I've accidentally painted over part of the dog's head. So if you want to bring that back, make sure the brush tool is still selected, but now choose white as your color. And now, wherever you paint on the photo, it makes it visible. And so now we can cycle through the before and the after. As you can see, it actually makes the photo pop out and stand out much more. And now I can look at it from far away. Before and after. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content coming out very soon.